Today, we're diving into the wildest road rage moments of 2025, all caught on Dashcam. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into it.
Dude, this guy is freaking the fuck out.
Over at the Waterford's 911 dispatch center around that time too. It was about 8:20 p.m. when 911 dispatchers got back-to-back calls from people at the bowling alley center around that time too. It was about 8:20 p.m. when 911 dispatchers got back-to-back calls from people at the bowling alley center. What the fuck are you doing, you stupid?
Come.
Bro, this is a one-way, bro.
Yeah, it is.
Yo, stop fucking filming me,
no,
bro.
No, I'm not gonna stop.
Bro, it's a one-way. Why the fuck are you parked in a
because that road was blocked.
Okay, so move back so people can go, bro.
Well, people are going.
Bro, shut the fuck up and get out of the way, bro.
Yeah, okay.
Back the fuck out.
No.
I hope you fucking put that on YouTube, you pussy.
Okay.
You're not gonna beat the fuck out of
you. Okay.
No,
okay.
You were not wrong because we were blocking. Buddy, no. Buddy. Just move.
Okay.
No.
Oh, what the fuck? Just pull right on out. Don't let me get in your way.
Bro, what the fuck? Fucking pull right out in front of me, asshole! Jesus Christ, come right out, don't let me get in your way. Fuck! What do you think, you're the only fucking car on the road? What the fuck?
Otra más. Toma.
Dude, you coming to my house? Dude, you fucking juicing or what? Yeah, dude, you're on the juice, aren't you? Yeah, you're juicing. How much TRT are you on?
Go poglądać zatwory, wziąłeś zatwory, ale to lubię. Iako mene pasak sve je normalno.
Ostań! Ostań, Michał!